Hello everyone, welcome back to Student Diary. Today once again I have brought one more interesting video for all of you related to Sanskrit. So today's video is in continuation to the previous video. In the previous video we did one lesson. As you can see on my screen, this is the first chapter of Sharda textbook. We did the word by word meaning and explanation of this chapter in the last video. Today we are going to do the exercises of this chapter. So those who all are new to my channel, who are watching my videos for the first time, I would suggest that please go back to the previous video in which I have explained all the word by word meaning and the translation of the shloka, and I have given the full explanation of every shloka so that you can understand them better, and then attempting the exercise will become an enjoyable experience for all of you. So after doing that explanation, come back to this video for the exercises. Those who have understood it properly, let's go for doing the exercises. Okay, let's start. It was a wonderful poem, right? Now we have to see that how much we have learned, correct? How much we have understood. So abhyasat jayate siddhi. Abhyasat means from practice. Jayate means we get. And siddhi means perfection. So from practice we get perfection. That's what they are telling. So now let's start doing the practice. First question, they are telling that you have to just remember the shlokas, memorize them, and you have to tell. So we'll not go for that one. Let's start with the second main. Ek paden uttaram likhat. Ek paden means with one word. With one word, you have to write the answers. Fine. Like they have given the first one. Gyan punj prabha darshakam kim. So Gyan punj means the group of the knowledge. Prabha darshakam means the acting as a guide for showing the shine, right, to the knowledge, right? Correct. So who is doing that? What is doing that? Sanskritam. So Kim is the question word here, and the answer is Sanskritam. Let's go for the first main question for us. Sanskritam kasyaha sadakam. Sanskritam is Sanskrit. Kasyaha means of what? So this is the question word. Whose? Correct. It is Shashti Vibhakti and the word is feminine. So your answer also has to be feminine. Correct. Sadhaka means practitioner. So Sanskrit is a practitioner or accomplisher or achiever of what? Ektayaha. Correct. Ektayaha. In fact, we can write here as Bhartiya Ektayaha. Right. Unity of India. Perfect. Let's go for the second one. Sarvada Sanskritam Kasya Sandohadam. Sarvada means always. Sanskritam means the Sanskrit language. Kasya means of what? Of what? And Sandohadam means group. So Sanskrit is always the group of what? Happiness, right? So it is going to be Anandasya. Correct? Next one. Sanskritam Kasya Preranadayakam. Sanskrit is Kasya means of what, right? Whose? And Preranadayakam means inspiring. So Sanskrit is inspiring for what? To follow the right path. Satpathasya. Correct? I hope everyone is understanding now. Next one. Sanskritam Kasam Parishkarakam. Sanskritam Kasam means of what? So it is again Shashti Vibhakti, but it is Bahuvachan. Right? Whose? But it is Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan, and Kasam is a feminine word. So we have to get the answer as a feminine word of Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Right? Parishkaraka means refiner. So Sanskrit is the refiner of what? Sarvavani Nam, everyone's voice. Right? I hope everyone is remembering the shlokas. Next one. Kasya Vistarakam Sanskritam. Kasya means of what? So mainly all the questions are of Shashti Vibhakti, right? Of what or whose? Vistarakam means spreader. Sanskritam is Sanskrit. So Sanskrit is the spreader of what? Vishwabandhutvasya. Right? I hope everyone remembers Vishwabandhutvasya. Because the question is asked in Shashti Vibhakti, so your answer also has to be in Shashti Vibhakti. If your question is in Pulling, the answer has to be in Pulling. If it is in Striling, the answer will be in Striling. Fine. These are the basic things you should all be knowing. I hope everyone has completed the first main with me, and not to say everyone is, I think, writing the answers with me if you have not written. And if you have written the answers, no problem. You can write the meaning of the questions, or especially the question words, so that it will be helpful to you in framing the questions also. Fine. And answering all different kind of questions. Fine. Please give a thumbs up if you have understood the first main. Now let's go for the next main. Adolikhit prashnanam uttarani Purnavakyen likhat. Purnavakyen means with complete sentence. So now you have to write the answer in the complete sentence. You can't write one word like the previous one. Right? First one. Sarvatah kasyaha sanstapakam sanskritam. Sarvatah means everywhere. Kasyaha means of what? So now this is the question word. Of what? It is a feminine word. So your answer also has to be feminine. Sanstapaka means establisher and Sanskritam is the language. So Sanskrit is the establisher of what everywhere? Peace, correct? So our answer will be in place of just kasyaha, you will be writing shantehe and the rest of the answer question you have to write as it is. So the answer will become sarvatah shantehe sanstapakam sanskritam. Fine. I hope everyone has understood. Next one. Kidrisham vratam sanskritam. So kidrisham means what kind of, right? What kind of. So now the answer is going to be an adjective. Kidrish question word is used for adjective as an answer. Right? So vratam is like determination. Sanskrit is a determination of what? It's a vrat of what? So it is going to be tyag, santosh, seva, then vratam. Correct? So together you write. So the answer will become Tyag Santosh Seva Vratam Sanskritam. Fine. I hope everyone has understood. Next one. Kayoho Sammelanam Sanskritam. Kayoho. It's again Shashti Vibhakti. So of what? But it is Dvivachan. So now you need two things as your answer. It should be a group of two things so that we can use Dvivachan. Sammelana means organization. Sanskrit is the organization or a place where both the things are going to meet of what? Gyan Vigyanayoho, right? Knowledge and science. Correct? So it will be Gyan Vigyanayoho. So the total answer will become Gyan Vigyanayoho Sammelanam Sanskritam. Perfect. Let's go for the gha part. Sanskritam kasya chamatkarakam. Sanskritam kasya means of what? Right? Again, Shashti Vibhakti, whose or of what? Chamatkarakam means like a magic. So whose magic? Sanskrit is considered as the magic of whose. So the answer will become Vishwa Chetasaha. Vishwa Chetaha basically. Right? So now how the answer will become? Vishwa Chetaha Chamatkarakam Sanskritam. Fine. Vishwa Chetaha Chamatkarakam Sanskritam. Fine. I hope everyone has understood. Next one. Kesham Yashah Samarakam Sanskritam. Kesham means whose. Again, Shashti Vibhakti, right? So, but now the question word has to be pulling, right? But Bahuvachan. Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan of pulling. So, whose fame? Samarakam is like memorial. So, Sanskrit is used as a memorial for the fame of whom? Of our ancestors, right? So, in place of Kesham, we are going to write Purvajanam. Okay, so the answer will become Purvajanam Yashah Samarkam Sanskritam. I hope everyone has understood the second main. So just one request, in case someone has not subscribed to the channel, please do it. It will motivate me and I will be able to get the videos frequently for all of you. Next main. Rikta sthanani puryantu. So now you have to fill in the blank. So for this main, you should be knowing all the shlokas properly. Okay, like first one they have given Sarva Bhut Ekta Karakam Sanskritam. So there is like the full line of the shloka. You have to complete the line of the shloka. So first one dash Sampadakam Sanskritam. So Sanskrit is a Sampadak of what? Anyone remembers? Bhartiyatva. Indianness, the quality of being Indianness, right? Bhartiyatva Sampadakam Sanskritam. Next one, dash Darshakam Sanskritam. So Sanskrit is the Darshakam of what? Gyan Punj and Prabha Darshakam. Correct? I hope everyone remembers the shlokas. Gyan Punj, Prabha Darshakam Sanskritam. Next one, dash Sanskarakam Sanskritam. So Sanskrit is going to refine what? Mind, right? Sarv Mastishk. Sarv Mastishk Sanskarakam Sanskritam. Next one, Karmadam dash Bhaktidam Sanskritam. So Sanskrit is the giver of task, then knowledge, Jnanadam, and then Bhaktidam, which is the devotion. Next one, Satyanishtam dash Sanskritam. Satyanishtam Shivam Sundaram Sanskritam. For this, definitely you have to remember the shlokas because these are like the fill in the blanks from the shloka as it is. Next one. Shabd Lalitya dash Sanskritam. Shabd Lalitya Leelavanam Sanskritam, right? Sanskrit is as a forest of illusion, right? I hope everyone has understood this main. Now, this main. So, this main is your task. You have to get some sentences. So, I want to know from all of you how many sentences you can frame by using these words. Please try to do that and let me know in the comment section how many you were able to do. Okay. Next main. This is adholikhita naam smast padanam udharan anusaram vigraham kurut. So vigraham means splitting. Okay, vigraha means splitting, and smast padana means the compound word basically. Okay, I hope everyone knows what are the compound words. It's like in English, if I give you an example, you have one word play, word you have ground. They both have like some different meanings, and you are just combining them and making it playground. So play was like to play, khelna, and then ground is like some kind of ground is there where you can play, right? But if you just join together, it becomes the ground for playing. So uh, playground is a compound word which is split into two words, play and ground. So similarly in Sanskrit also we have compound words. The words are joined based on some rules. Out of them, this is by one rule. So these all are the example of Tatpurush Samas. So, because this topic is very new to all of you, and this is one of the most important topic from the grammar portion, I will make a separate video on the different kinds of samas and how to identify them and how to solve the questions related to samas. Okay, for the time being, you just understand that these all words are of Tatpurush Samas and Shashti Vibhakti. Fine. How it is working and all that, I will make you understand in a separate video. Fine. Like, just try to understand these many questions. It's Bhartiya Ekata Sadhakam. So, Tatpurush Vibhakti Samas is like two words are joined with the help of some Vibhakti. If I give you an example of like that playground only, in Sanskrit, we call it as Krida Kshetram. Krida Kshetra means like Kshetra means ground and Krida means play. So it's like ground for playing, right? Ground for what? For playing. So in Krida, we have to use Chaturthi Vibhakti. So that way you have to identify that which Vibhakti will be used in the first word and the second word will come as it is. So in this case, if you see, there are two words. One is Bhartiya Ekta and one is Sadhakam. So Sadhakam means practitioner, practitioner of what? Of Bhartiya Ekta, of Indian unity. So in unity, we have used Chhashti Vibhakti, right? Same way, if you see the next one, Gyan Punj Prabha Darshakam. So one word is Gyan Punj and second one is Prabha Darshakam. So Prabha Darshakam of what? Of Gyan Punj. So it will become Gyan Punjasya, because Punj is going to be your Napunsakling word. So it will go like Punjasya Prabha Darshakam. Second word, there will not be any change. You have to write as it is. Only the change will be in first word. Fine. Next one, Sarvavani Parishkarakam. So, Parishkarakam means refiner, refiner of voice. So, in Sarvavani, we will be using again Shashti, but if it is Sarvavani means of everyone, so we will be using Bahuvajan. Sarvavani Nam Parishkarakam. Okay. Next one, Vishwa Bandhutva Vistarakam. Spreader of what? Of Vishwa Bandhutva. So, Vishwa Bandhutvasya. Vishwa Bandhutvasya. Shashti Vibhakti. Fine. Vistarakam. They all are the examples of Shashti Vibhakti. Fine. Next one. Sarvabhut Ekata Karakam. Same thing. Till Ekta and Karakam. So it will be Sarvabhut Ekatayaha. Sarvabhut Ek. I have to write together. Bhut Ekatayaha and Karakam. Got it? Next one, Shanti Sanstapakam. So Sanstapakam means establisher. So establisher of what? Of peace. So we will be using the Shashti Vibhakti of Shanti. For this, you should be knowing the Shabdrups also properly. If someone does not know the Shabdrups properly, it will be very difficult for you to do it. Okay, because now you have come in ninth grade, so the all the different kinds of Shabdrups should be knowing. It's just like in maths, you know the tables and addition and subtraction, the basics of mathematics. Same way, Shabdrup and Dhaturup are the basics of the Sanskrit. Fine. So you should be knowing. Everyone will teach you by thinking that you know them already. So my suggestion is that everyone Start learning all the shabd groups. They should be on your tips. If I say that balak shabd group shashti vibhakti, you should be knowing that it will how it will go, like balakasya and all that. So and it is going to actually help you a lot. Okay, so now next one. Gyan Vigyan Sammelanam. So it's like Gyan Vigyan, one word, and Sammelanam. So it's like organization of Gyan Vigyan. Right, now Gyan Vigyan are two words, so we will be using Dvivachan. So it will be Gyan Vigyan Nayoho. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachan we will be using Sammelanam. Fine. I hope Shashti Tatpurush is clear to you. So that way in Vibhakti Tatpurush we have for Dvitya, Tritya, Chaturthi for all of them depending upon the meanings of the word. Fine. So soon I will get the video for that. Next one. Pradat Manjushatah Priyay Padani Chitva Riktasthane Likhat. So they have given you some words. Again, you have to write the fill in the blanks you have to do based on the meanings, right? So let's try getting the meanings first of the words given in the help box. If we can get Ullasaha means happiness. Kirnaha means the rays, like the sun rays they are talking about. Jagat means world. Anupama means like wonderful. Tej Rashya means intelligent. And Mana means respect. Okay, let's try the sentences. So, first one Vidvansaha dash bhavanti. So, Vidvansaha means intelligent people only, right? So, intelligent people will be intelligent only. So, Tejo Rashya will come here. Correct? Next one, Suryasya dash sarvesham praninam krite hitkaraha bhavati. So Suryasya means of sun, sarvesham praninam means of all living beings. Its krite is there, so then for all living beings, hitkaraha bhavati means beneficial. So what of the sun is beneficial for everyone? Kiranaha, right? Correct. Next one, Ishwaram smritva Ishwaram Smritva dash Upajayate. Ishwaram means God, Smritva means remembering. So it's like by remembering God, Upajayate means get. So what do we get? Happiness, right? Ullasaha. Next one. Vidyayaha dash Ajaram Bhavati. Vidyayaha means of Vidya, of knowledge. Ajara means which never gets old, basically. Bhavati means is. So what does not get old of Vidya? The respect, Manam. Correct? Next one. Prakritehe Shobha dash Vidyate. Prakritehe means of nature. Shobha means grace. Like beauty of nature is dash. Wonderful, right? Anupama. Yatra dash ek nidam bhavati. Yatra jagat ek nidam bhavati. Where the world is one nest. Right? I hope everyone has understood the meaning of all the sentences. Now let's go for our next main. Adholikhitana melanam kurut. Adholikhitana means whatever is written down. Melanam kurut means join them. Fine. Now, Bhartiya Ekatayaha. We have done all these words. So, Bhartiya Ekatayaha means of Indian unity. Then it should be Sadhakam. Correct? These are the sentences. These are the sentences from our shlokas only. Sat Pathe means on the path of the truth. Correct? Prernadayakam. Right? Then Tyag Santosh Seva Rupam Vratam, correct? Then Gyan Punj Prabhayaha Darshakam, right? Then Vishwa Bandhutvasya Vistarakam. Just one thing I want to see. We have, fine. It's fine. And I think we have finished all the exercises. Yes, that's great. We have finished finished all the exercises of the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. I hope you have understood all the exercises and everyone has written all the solutions. Just one task I have given you is the fifth main, which you have to write yourself and let me know the answers in the comment section. Okay, so but once again, I would like to say that please give a thumbs up if you have understood the chapter properly and share with your friends in case they are also looking for help in Sanskrit. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will stop our today's video here only. That's all for today's video. I will see you soon in the next video with some more interesting topics on Sanskrit. Till then, keep learning Sanskrit. Thank you.